Hey everyone, Kristen here, Price Level Trading. Tonight we are talking about AMP, clearinghouse, broker, some people call it, and how it relates to being able to trade inside of TradingView. And I also want to briefly mention the website if you want to put and self-direct and trade within your IRA, which a lot of people don't know is possible. So let me hide this. This here is the AMP clearinghouse. First page looks like this. Then you click open an account. And then here what you do is you scroll down to open an account. And then you decide what kind. So if you're trading in a trust, if you have an LLC, if you incorporated, if you have some sort of joint account, you can call them. I think they mostly work off a chat. I've never really had an issue with them. It's usually an online chat situation when I'm working with them. This is not difficult to do. If you're going to choose this, you're going to end up going likely through these people. I would talk to AMP about that because AMP, they use certain companies, and this was the company that they had me use. And it isn't something that happens just overnight. Well, maybe it's overnight, but you do have to set some time aside to understand the companies that you're dealing with, understand their application process, take the time to fill out their application process. Basically, to get these set up, you do have to get your ducks in a row, but it isn't difficult. Trust me, if I can do it, it's not difficult. So Midland Trust for the IRAs, to have AMP be the clearinghouse, to hook it up to TradingView. Again, this is about TradingView. So once you get this set up, you will be in touch with TradingView now. And what I did is I said to the support people in the help center, I made a support ticket, and then I said, I have set up my account with AMP. The account number is this. The name on the account is this. And if there is any problems, they will send you a message back. And typically, if there isn't a problem, they'll just hook up your account and then just let you know that they took care of it. But again, there's also live online chat. So you would click here, and then you would fill this out, and then you would hit connect. Pretty simple, right? So what I'm going to do is, since we do have a live situation here, but the market's moving really, really slow. So I'm just going to click on this, and it's going to minimize. And in the other video, I showed you how to set all this up, by the way. And we did review all these brokers very briefly, not in too much detail. So this is the hourly chart here. And then we could go into the 5-minute, the 8-minute. And you saw a trade setup that you liked. So with this, you have a couple options. You can go, definitely you would do this before setting up the trades, and I did review that in the last video. I particularly like this floating. Order panel would show up here. You can also trade off the DOM. So you could say you wanted to sell one up here, but this is telling you market. And then you could, that's a limit up here. So what you could do, let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of this. I don't think we can minimize this anymore. So let's say we wanted to short this moving average. You can see here that it's reading 8417.00. You can scroll up. What was that? 8417. You could click. Whoa. Oh, it's recentering. Do you see that? Little stinker butt. It's doing it again. Well, the other way you could do it is this. You can click sell, and then you can click take profit, stop loss. You can make some decisions here. Or you can do it this way. Limit sell. Boom. If you saw something moving really, really fast, this is used for market orders. This is how many contracts you're buying. This is the spread. I'm just hovering over it. You can see that. And how many you want to buy. If you don't like it, you just go in here. Gone. How about them apples? So I knew I showed you a sell. Here's your market. Here's your stop. Limit orders are so much easier. So you wanted to catch this down here. 40225. Or you can just fill it in. All kinds of ways. Wait a minute. My bad. My bad. Just like that. So let's say you've got this sitting here. You can move it. Let's say you want to move it to here. And you're going to move your stop. And you've just done your calculations. If you want to see those numbers better, you can spread them out. You can see this red is going with this red. This blue is going with this blue. This pink is going with this pink. This is a setting that I have. So you could right click in here and you could go into settings and you can make all kinds of decisions on appearance, on trading, scales, status lines. You will find yourself playing in here for sure. Let's say you want to come down here, you're going in, and just like that. So that is the synopsis of trading in TradingView. This happens to be the E-minis for the NASDAQ. And you can see the contract that I've got pulled up.
So that was TradingView and AMP and a review on how to get all that hooked up. If you have any questions, Kristen at PriceLevelTrading.com. Be happy to help you get that all squared away. Hopefully it has helped you make it more streamlined and easy. So if there's anything else we can do, let us know.